Build Android app with professional user interface. So this is the Android app that I built. Let me tap on the app icon for you to see, and my app has opened. Let me tap on get started, and from here you can see that it is having a professional user interface. Okay, so when I come here, then I come and then tap on the main, that is the account. You see that it is having a professional account look. When I tap on the calendar too, you see that it is having a professional look as well. When I tap on the health, you see that with the help test, it is having a professional look as well. And I built it, and it comes with its own APK that you can simply tap and then install right on your phone. And all of it was built right inside Google AI Studio. So let me show you how to build your own professional app as well. Simply go to Google and then come and search for Google Stage just like this and hit enter. Come and select the official site of Stage by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Stage platform. Simply come here to where we have the try now and then come and then click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here where you can come and then design your Android app. Okay, all that you have to do is that make sure that app is selected. If it's not selected, just click on it and then select it. After that, come here to the model and then come and click on the down arrow. You have the option to come and then select any of these model. The one that we are going to go is Gemini 3 Flash. That is the one that we are going to go with. It comes with the export to code agent option. So make sure that you select it and then come and paste in your prompt right here. So with the prompt, when you look inside the video description, you see a link. Just click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the prompt. Okay. All that you have to do is simply scroll down and then come here to where we have prompt 1, Google Stage user interface design prompt. Okay, so where it says prompt starts here, simply come and then highlight it from the top to the end. Okay, so as you can see, prompt end. Come and put the mouse on it and then simply right click on it and then come and click on copy to copy it. After that, just open Notepad, okay, from your system and then come and paste the whole prompt here and then come and make these changes. That is the app name. Simply come and then paste in your Android app name, the app that you want to build. Paste the name right here or write it just like this. After that, simply come here to where we have the app idea. Okay, simply come and then write your app idea in simple sentence. Okay, you can write this simple sentence just like this, the functions of the app, okay, that you want to build. After that, all that you have to do is highlight the whole thing, put the mouse on it, right click and come and click on copy, and then come here and then come and paste the whole prompt here inside Stage just like this. Okay, so after pasting the prompt, simply come and then click on the generate. Okay, and that is it. You see that Stage is going to go ahead and then design your Android app for you. So as you can see, it has designed everything, all the screens that we need to build our Android app, and it is looking perfectly fine. You can simply come here and then click this one to select it. Okay, so with this one, you have the option to come and then look at how the screens are looking. Okay, you can simply drag it. Okay, something like this, you can drag it and then see all the screens show up, okay, from top to the bottom. And when you are okay with everything, all that you have to do is to simply then come here and then come and click on this to select this one. Okay, and come and select all the screens. Okay, simply put the mouse on it and then press on shift, okay, from your keyboard, and then press on each of the screen just as I am doing, so that it will select all the screens that Stage has designed and then built for you. So after selecting it, all that you have to do is simply come here to the top where you have the export, come and click on it. So you see that the export will open all of these for you. Okay, so we have all these options. The one that we are going to select is the export to AI Studio. Okay, so make sure that it is selected and then simply come down and come and click on build with AI Studio. So when you click on it, it is going to come directly to Google AI Studio. Simply come and then read the terms. Okay, after reading it, you simply come here to where we have the continue and come and click on continue. Then with this one, you can simply come and then skip it. Okay, and it is going to load all the screens, okay, that we just built inside Google AI Studio. Come and then select build an Android app. Okay, come and click on it. It is very important. In order to build the Android app, you have to select it. So you see that it will be selected among it just like this. And then over here, you see that it comes with its own default prompt. So this is not enough, so I'm going to show you the better prompt. So when you come to the video description, you see that there is a link. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt, and then come here to where it says Google AI Studio Android app build prompt. Okay, so come and then put the mouse at the beginning, highlight it from the top to the bottom just like this. Come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and copy. Okay, just click on copy. That opened notepad and then come and paste it inside it, the whole prompt just like this. Okay. And then you have to come and then fill in the app details. So where you have the app name over here, simply come and then write your app name. So where it says paste app name here, simply come and then write your app name or paste it. And then after that, where we have the app idea, just like the first one, simply come and then describe the same app idea right here. Okay, so just write it. And after that, all that you have to do is simply come here after the app idea, come here to the target users, and then simply come and then write your target user right here, just like this. After that, simply come after the target user, come here to the app category, then come and write your app category just like this. Okay, so when you are done, highlight the whole prompt, put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then simply come here, then come and click on copy. So when you copy it, all that you have to do is simply come back to Google AI Studio, make sure that build an Android app is selected, and then the default prompt, come and then highlight the whole thing. Okay, and then come and paste your own one, the one that we have just copied and then fill in our details, come and paste that one. That one is better. And after that, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the build. Okay, so when you click on the build, Google AI Studio is simply going to build your Android app for you. So over here, you have the option to come and then select the theme that you prefer or the design that you prefer. So I'm simply going to click on each of them for you to see. So I'm going to go with the vibrant palette. Okay, that one is looking perfectly fine. So just this is the one that I'm going to go with. So after selecting it, you can simply come and then click on select this design. Okay, so that Google AI Studio is going to build your Android app for you using that design. Okay, so when it is done, it is going to connect to the phone. So as you can see, it has successfully built the design that we selected, and over here it is going to connect the phone. Okay, so that you can actually come and then test it. So let's test it. So I'm simply going to click on the get started, and as you can see, my design is here. My Android app is having that perfect design. Okay, I'm going to click on the account too, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. It is having a professional look for the account as well. So you have the option to come and then click on the home. So let's check our app icon. So as you can see, the app icon is not showing, so we have to fix that one. So all that you have to do is simply come here to the chat. Okay, and come and tell it that it should actually add an app icon. Okay, so simply say please add an app icon for me, so that when I install my phone, it will show, and then come and click on the send prompt. Okay, and that is it. Google AI Studio is going to build it and then add the app icon. So it has finished. Let's click on the home again and see. And our Android app is having the app icon that we asked it to build. And then it is working perfectly fine. So after checking it, as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. Let's click on get started, and it is working perfectly fine. So sometimes you see that you find this error. It says that one error running the code. You can simply come and then click on the fix, so that it will fix it for you. Okay, so after clicking on it, Google AI Studio is going to fix it. So as you can see, now we don't have any error, and then our Android app has built and it's working perfectly fine. The next thing is to simply install it on our phone. Okay, so simply come and then click on the install, and over here, you have to simply connect a USB to your Android phone, okay, using a PC. And then after connecting it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on install via USB, okay. And over here from your phone, you have to come and then allow USB doubling by checking the box and then click on allow, okay. And it will try to install, but you have to select your device. So simply come here to where it says select device, come and then click on it to select your Android phone. Sometimes it will show you the name of your Android phone, okay, and then come and click on the connect, and that is it. It is simply going to install your APK right on your Android phone. So as you can see, it has successfully installed the app on our Android phone, and then we can simply go ahead and use it. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the close to close it. And when you come here to the back to start and then you click on it, when you come here to where we have the apps, okay, you can come and then click on the apps, and then you see that we have our Android app included right here. Now let's go to our phone, and then from here you see that there is the app that we just built. This is the app icon. Let me tap on it, and over here it is working absolutely fine. So what you have to do is to simply test it. Okay, so let's tap on get started, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, you can also come and then test the down menus. Okay, I'm simply going to tap on the account and everything is working perfectly fine. Now let me show you how to get the APK now that the app is working perfectly fine. Simply go to Google Play Store, tap on it, and then from here come and then tap on the search, and then from the search bar simply come and then search for files by Google. Okay, and then come and then tap on it to select it, and then over here as you can see I've already installed it. So if you haven't install it and then come and tap on open for it to open. Scroll down and then come here to where you have the apps and come and tap on it. Okay, and all the apps will come. Simply make sure that the installed apps is selected. Okay, and then from here you are going to see the app that we just built. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the three dots, and then all these options will come, and then simply come here to where we have the share. Come and then tap on the share so that you'll be able to get your APK and then download it. So share it to WhatsApp by simply tapping on WhatsApp, and then over here simply come and then select any of the chats. So I'm going to select this chat, and after that come and then tap on the send. Okay, so that the APK will show up just like this, and then we can simply download it. Simply come here, then come and then tap on the send, and that is it. Your APK is simply going to be downloaded for you. Now that the APK has downloaded, let me show you how to install it. So simply come and then tap on the APK. It is going to ask you to install. I've already installed it, but I'm simply going to install it for you to see again. Then tap on the install. So it is going to try to scan it. Okay, and then sometimes it might show you these words. Don't worry. Simply come here to more details. Come and then tap on it, and then over here come and tap on install anyway. Okay, that is it. So after tapping on it, it's going to install. So as you can see, after it has finished install, you can come and tap on open, and you see that your Android app is working perfectly fine. So you can test it to see that it is working. This is actually how to build a professional Android app. Like the video and then see you in my next video.